Welcome back to another video, guys. So it's another Sunday and it's another beach day. So guys, me, Malika and my never going to the beach. Yes, so Ronaldo already at the beach and my friends, so we're gonna meet up at the beach. So yeah, we just take on a journey right now, so stay tuned, guys. So we're going here now, take on the beach. We are going to take on the beach. So go and see what I'm going right now. You guys see two local bambino there. Oh, I'm tired already. Can you walk up, baby? See the sign there, so we can see which beach we are going. They're gonna nudge and Kai, they're gonna nudge. Give me a nudge, hold my finger. Guys, music I play, so that means I'm not getting enough video, you know, cause you know, say copyright something and I work out. Alright guys, Romario. Leave, come out, I did affair one-on-one of Nigeria. What wrong with you now? Let me eat your chicken. Sure. So then disgusting, you see? So we come on beach, sir. I didn't lay the food, my youth. So I'll Kyle Freda see this a sign. Think I'm not alone. And that me want to know. He said nah come, so me nah look for my beach. And yet you have to ask you want me can know you want food. Me not have no money, me I carry money come and see. It's a sign. Can you afraid of water? So you come a beach if you're afraid of water. You not ready yet, love him now? You not come a water with you, no aggressive. Your grandmother not gone to church, why you never eat before you come? Then you should go to your father. Oh no, not stop me, you not leave me. I'm going to go and take on walk on the beach side before I go in the water. I go in the water alone, I don't know say me and last one figure water. Come sit down here, my nephew. Come know them are stressed out for. Come sit down. I know them are stressed out. Guys, I thought I'm not really afraid of water. So look at them, I can't get afraid of water too. Afraid of sea, Kai? What are you afraid of? Eh? Yes, we get comfortable already for water. So guys, this is how I go on the beach right now. Where am I ready? Where am I ready? And that's when turn. Oh, see them we got this one. We find company of water. I'm alone already for water yet. So guys, it's another beautiful day. Yeah, one time I love that local spot here. Which part of people come sit down. And it's kind of comfortable too. So yeah, the local comfy spot. So see what I'm going on, guys. So all that tell me last time said some wedding and them something they can go on. Guys look like one look event I go on. I go on to look at table settings and something. I go on and people in place. So that is that. See man a juggle him, cheese chicken him, stuff them there. Oh! And Sinaje enjoy water, then Naje not afraid of water again. Sinaje out there they are taking water. Guys, Naje out there enjoy water. Look at him. Yeah, I'm afraid of that. I show up something in our work field though. Guys, I'm going to be the last person to go water because I'm not going to water till I'm so ready to go home because wet up in the clothes and I buy something that's on me. I have to wait till when my school ready. I'll next 45 minutes before I'm ready. That's the time I'm going to the water. So just go and stay tuned and see what I go on, guys. Because when I go and get the breeze out because the place hot like wow. Once the two divers come in there, guys, to be sure if you can see them, then the right the sun zoom up and see if you can see them right there. So guys, two divers coming in. Don't know if they have fish or what's going on, but two divers coming right there. So only spending 2 hours at the beach. So yeah, that time guys, I have a little bar setting too. But you know, the bars are expensive when you come in place here. Oh, I don't drink liquor anymore. It's been a while I haven't drink any alcohol. I'm done cook dinner, so when we go home, guys, I just shower, eat some food, and go and relax. Because I just said it. Alright. Right, when I go pan, you know, I watch a crash turn. Watch it crash turn. Watch it crash turn. Right, now when I go pan, you see already done it. Ready right now. You want to go pan the jet ski, go. I'm in prayer now, guys. Yeah, go and relax because I say things I'm telling you, me and husband we got water. If you leave beach 5 o'clock, I got water till 4:30. Because that's how it goes. Guys, the kids said they're afraid of the water. Well, not just afraid of the water. I never come like you afraid of deep water. I never come like you afraid of deep water, so just there go and relaxing ready for home. Then go and enjoy a little body of water. So guys, we took some food and my taste and food eat good. See, Jesus. Some rice and peas, nice. I got to really go up with my great granny and mommy, you know, because me I tell you, say, I'm a poker. Nice. I got invited home for dinner one of them Sunday here. But me not mood though. Guys, I know I can't cook well, but sometimes I can't bother with the cooking though. No cooking or what? We cook every day still, but most days. But sometimes I can't bother with the cooking business. Sorry about that, especially when we're tired. One something I cook now, guys, porridge is not my favorite meal. I don't like porridge period. So me don't look more porridge because not that I can't cook it, but because I don't drink it, I'm not gonna look after it because if I'm gonna put on, I'll do this. So I ain't gonna cook that. But soup are my favorite, so yeah, we'll cook soup after our stew peas and them something there. Them something I like. Yeah, the beach here and I go and relax, you know? Well, last time we come to beach, guys, I was sitting down on a bamboo. See? No, I'm not on a bamboo. Oh my God, I'm relaxing like a tourist, man. This is a life, man. And if you're from there alone, I got beach, guys, so you know that go. Big up to my subscribers, big up to my commenters. One, do the right thing, like, share, all of that, you know. Invite a friend at all time. So guys, go and see food and go and get to the beach. You see it. The baby I come. I'm phoning the depot. I don't remember which angle in turn.
What I say? What me say? You're not going to come auntie. My auntie. Yo, mommy.
Yeah, boyfriend out of the if you met that Jay come first, kind of Jay love what they know. All of a sudden, I said, nobody want to go there, you know. So remember when the fight time when we bring him down there early morning, you know. I said, climb up all for we head top, you know. When he there we head top, you know. My ball and I climb up, see me, and I say, how far you go? You don't realize say your foot that. You said that even your foot can't touch the water.
I mean, I'm more nice. I'm using them. I lift you out your son.
It's a ball.
Me say, oh, where to stay? Auntie.
You don't know what I
my auntie with me is what?
He call me and I call me, keep me tell him, so I call me, like, keep me no boy, come here. Must auntie Kim, not so Kim, come here, no size. So that's why not James start follow up now. I call Kim. Where's? Go and enjoy. Oh, man, I see a shallow man, I want you. Guys, Najee go on with himself there now and can't hold Najee again, you know. Pass love the water. The pack of water like big smarty. Can't hold him again. We'll never be friends. What happened? There. Ah. Yeah. Son, baby, when they go home, they close their car, wash the so son, and I close them. Guys, we soon got a water, but we are waiting for one client. I wait for one client. So we get the client reach them with our water. Where you say, Kai?
How you come with that?
No, probably gonna that chair. Where you say, where I go, Kai? When he come with the energy, it's tomorrow with Najee there. I feel like we're asleep on the beach side right now. That's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling. Jack splash water. My water baby, I'm gonna turn now, you know. My water baby. Oh, foot. Look here. You see? You see, so you have to leave him? Look at that. Guys, get one puppy. Ah, no. No, it's not. Guys, we get one puppy. Hi, a girl or a boy.
Pebbles.
Hi, Pebbles. We get one puppy.
Somebody get up off of the chair and hang on.
We get puppy come like me off. Baby like me. Puppy like me. Watch out. Why? Cute? You look a bit cute, man. Yeah. Little bit cute, you see, guys. Let me get one little puppy. Crazy though. Why don't leave people in chair, Ronaldo? Oh boy. Ronaldo? So me like. Oh my goodness. You better call me. Guys, we get one little puppy named Pebbles. Pebbles gone. Pebbles come and scratch my foot them.
Hey, before I get there, when you get like this,
I ain't coming. Guys, so that's the end of the beach. home. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Say hi. Bye. See you guys later.